playing with the girls? Huh? Sadie.
Attention, this is a consumer health alert for anyone who has taken Viagra, Januvia, or Victoza. A UCLA research study shows taking Viagra or Januvia nearly triples your risk of developing pancreatic cancer. Reportedly, there is also an association between Victoza and thyroid cancer and pancreatitis. If you've taken Viagra, Januvia, or Victoza and have been diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, thyroid cancer, or pancreatitis, call this number immediately. 1-800-241-0754. You may be entitled to compensation. 1-800-241-0754.
Casey. Sadie.